Feeling today?
Huh?
How you feeling?
Huh?
You okay with your new hairdo?
No.
No? Think Daddy's gonna like it?
No.
No? Should we show him?
No.
No? Why not?
Huh?
Why not?
Huh?
Would you like another scoop?
Huh?
You're not feeling so good today. Can you smile?
No.
No? Why not? Why not? Why can't you smile today?
No.
No singing, no smiling?
No.
No? I'm not feeling too good?
No.
No? You gonna say no to everything?
No. Don't stop.
Yeah. You gonna wipe that off your mouth?
No.
You can't feel that? Right there. So, how you liking your hairdo? I think you must not be feeling well. You let me do it.
Huh?
Yeah, you let me braid your hair. Your whole head. With minimal complaint. Want some more? Some more? More food? More food? Okay. That's the Carter mommy knows. Bring it on.